Yeah. It gave doll. It gave.
You ain't mine now. Let me find out. Didn't see that coming, made me wanna put my eyes out. For spending life together, I guess I was blind.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but it's okay because your girl is back. And today we have a wonderful wig install from my company, BeautyForever Hair. Y'all know I love that company and I definitely am an ambassador. Their quality is always amazing. So right here, I'm just gonna unbox the wig. This is a straight 613 wig. It is a 13x4. It is 22 inches. I'm just showing y'all so you know it's a bust down. And it is 180% density. So right now I'm just getting into plucking and I'm going to show you guys how I customize the hairline. Now this wig did pretty much come pre-plucked, but one thing about me, I do like the front of my hairline to look very plucked. So I was going in a lot on the front. The sides were absolutely perfect. I don't have any complaints. You could have gotten away with not plucking it, but because of the type of edges that I wanted, I did go ahead and go in some more. And right here you see me just going in, trying to get that curved hairline look. Not curved, I'm trying to get a widow's peak because the type of edges that I want to do, I want my hair to look like a widow's peak. Now I know I don't have a naturally widow's peak hairline, but I just like how it looks on wigs. It looks a lot cleaner with the type of edges that I want to do, so that's what I'm trying to achieve by plucking. So after I pluck, I'm going in with my wax stick to make sure the hairline is sleek and fully ready to just put on my head, because today I don't plan on using glue. I am going to be using a new spray. And I finally got that hot comb, so y'all can stop bullying me about it. I did get a new hot comb, so now my wigs could look exactly how I want them to look. I don't have to worry about anything else. And I did notice that I missed a spot, so I'm just going back in with my tweezers and trying to pluck that part. But other than that, the plucking wasn't really, it wasn't necessary, but it actually did help the wig, if you know what I mean. I just want you guys to take a good look at that hairline. Even though I'm used to plucking wigs, plucking blonde wigs is hard because you can't really see the knots. And the knots are kind of my key to like know where to pluck and where not to pluck. So when you put it on a wig cap, everywhere looks white, and then you put it on your head, it looks different. So right now I'm about to get into the install. You know, before every install, I do show you guys the goodies that I got. So first up, I got a pair of lashes. Second off, I got this cute fluffy makeup brush. I think it's a powder brush. That is what I will be using it for. And then last but not least, I got a black bonnet. Now, I'm not gonna lie, even after I did the install, this is what I've been using the past couple days because it fit my hair perfectly. And now we're about to get straight into the wig. I know it looks like I'm beating the wig. It always looks like this, but all I'm doing is just patting the foundation into the lace. Now, because the hair is blonde, some foundation did get on the blonde parts of the wig, like outside of the lace, but that is nothing that we can't fix. So I just take a Huggies wipe and wipe it off. And now I'm putting it on my head to see if there's still any left. Putting my ball cap on because I don't know why I put it on my head without the ball cap. And now we're about to get right into the install. Now, because I always struggle with cutting my sideburns, I saw this new technique on TikTok that I ended up using, which is to part out the hair before you cut it so you know where you're going to cut and you see that line of lace so you can follow it. And I did end up doing that today, and y'all, it worked perfectly. I've never cut my sideburns any better. Highly recommend you guys do this. I don't know why I wasn't doing this before, but yeah, now we are about to cut the lace into some sections and get to using that spray that I was telling you guys about. I used hair cutting scissors because they cut everything so much cleaner than regular scissors. And now I'm just taking a cotton ball soaked in some alcohol and wiping my forehead so that I can start using this spray. The spray that I'm using is the Bedhead High Hold Hairspray. I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna put a link to it in my bio. Y'all, I got this from Walmart for $4 and I like it a little bit better than my Got To Be spray. Let me tell you why. It can do so many layers without getting white or gummy. I put a good amount of layers, about 4 layers, before I was fully satisfied with the install. It did not get white, it did not get gummy. The only thing is that it sprays smoothly, but you have to be careful because you just need a little bit of pressure for it to come out, as you can see right there. Right now I'm just pinning my hair up with a claw clip, and I am using my edge band. It is my first time using this spray, so I wasn't sure if I needed the edge band or not. The edge band definitely helps it melt better, and you see me do my little dancey dance because I'm happy. Now this is after I took it off. I'm going back in and I'm spraying it on my finger instead of spraying it directly on the lace, and I'm pressing it into the lace to make sure that when I cut, everything is fully secure. As I said before, I'm using hair scissors specifically instead of regular scissors because, as you can see, the lace is a lot more melted and my cuts can be more precise. Like, I don't have to struggle to cut the lace. And I'm just cutting it off in thin little sections. I already sectioned it off, but I feel like I need to do more. And going in, making sure that everything is exactly how I want it. And now I'm going to start parting out some edges because, like I said, the edges are going to be one of the most important parts of this install. Now this is what I'm talking about when I said I want my edges to be curved. A technique that I learned is to not part your edges out straight, but to part them with the hairline. So since the hairline has a curve there, you're not going to make a straight line. You're going to curve it with the hairline so it looks much more natural. Y'all, I'm never leaving this tip because it made my install look so much better. Usually I part my edges out straight and I'm like, why do they look like that? But now I know why, and I'm just pinning my hair up. Because after this, I am going to start going in and sleeking back the other hairs so that they don't get mixed up with my edges. And then I'm just going to go straight in and cut these edges. I got this new product that smells like bubblegum. Now, it is the same mousse that I use, but I put the Fantasia liquid mousse spritz on top of it, and it smells so good, and it made my edges stay. Like, I was in love. And I'm cutting my edges in a downward motion because I want them to look... I'm not really sure how to explain it. You guys will see the finished product after I'm done. And then I'm taking my hot comb to make sure that the front of my hairline is as sleek as possible. And I'm doing the same thing here, making sure the bottom of my edge is the longest part. It technically would be cutting in a downwards motion. I'm just using a different hand, that's why it looks different. Putting the mousse on, and then after that, I did put some liquid spritz, and I just started swooping it because I wanted them to go right into the hairline and look as seamless as possible. And after I use those lovely scissors, that is pretty much the end of my install. Alright, first thing we're gonna do is get into the actual like finished styled install. Don't want my glasses now. I did end up going back in, you know, straightening the hair. This is what it looks like. It is 22 inches, as I mentioned before. It goes down to like, I wish y'all could see, hold on, to like the middle of my stomach. It goes down all the way to there, and you know the struggle if you wear glasses and eyelashes at the same time, but it goes all the way down to there. When I say shedding has been minimal, it's been minimal. I'm trying to find my brush right now to show y'all like all the hair that I've collected in it. Hold on. Okay, this is all the hair that's been collected in it from shedding. Now, of course, that doesn't include from plucking, but this is what the hairline is looking like. It is lovely. The density, it stayed like the same density all the way to the bottom. A 10 out of 10. This is the best 613 hair I've had. Y'all know that means a lot coming from me, because one thing about me, I love a good 613. I do. I really do. I'm feeling it, especially for summer. I didn't tone it. This is like fresh out the box. just fresh everything. Cap construction is nice. I did have a lot of parting space. My lace is showing under the ring light, but in real life I promise you it doesn't show. Hold on, let me turn the ring light down and then probably have y'all like, okay, see, in real life it doesn't show, but when I turn the ring light on, baby, it shows. It do. The ring light just amplifies everything. I don't know why, but I love it. Edges was easy to cut. Hold on, I don't know if y'all see what I did with the edges. I did like the 2 swoops at the front, and then, you know, of course, sideburns. It's like my 3rd day of wearing this wig. My favorite style to do to it, I'm gonna show you guys, is that style where you take your hair and you put it up like this. Only the bad girls know what this is. Only the bad girls know what this is. The cloth. Did I just break it? Hold on. Okay, I just twisted my claw clip. I have no idea how, but I did. Right? It's giving 2000 baddie, and then you clip it. Let it fall. You know, just let it fall, however. But it's not giving on that side. Okay. Yeah. It gave doll. It gave. I'm just posing for the thumbnail. But yeah, guys, this wig, definitely go copy one. Like I said, use my discount code in my bio for money per, why did I say money percent? For money off from your order from BeautyForever. Quality is always amazing with them. This is one company that has never disappointed me when it comes to quality. Staying true to length. This is a full 22 inches all the way down to the bottom. Doesn't get thin at the ends. No shedding. Lace gave. My eyes are watering so much, but yeah, go copy one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.